Today we're going to be having a look at these. Some Jellyhead Snowman lights. I'm going to open them up, see if they work and see how well they're constructed. So this was a charity shop buy, which is unusual because they're getting away from selling electrical items now. Get them out of this bag. They're quite substantial. So there they are. I went into one of my charity shops that I frequent and asked if they had any lights, and they said they do, but they aren't really supposed to sell them. I'm like, well, just backhand them to me. You get £5 for nothing. There you go. I just donated £5 and you just so happen to be throwing these away and pass them to me, because they need to be pat tested and everything now, and they're not doing it anymore from my local shops. But either way, for a £5, they are quite substantially chunky lights. Let me get one of these shades off. There's two different designs. There's a red hat and a black hat. They just slide on and off. So they're little snowman faces. They've got actual beads for eyes. They've got a piece of plastic for a carrot nose, and there's a piece of wire for the smile. You can see where it's inserted in. There's a little bit of glue on there, and then the plastic collar for the bulb is in there and glued in place. They are slightly flexible. They look like the same material as Woolworth pom-pom globes or frosty lights, but these are soft plastic. Pifco used to do sets of shades called jelly shades. They used to do coloured balls, 4 colours, red, blue, green, yellow, and they used to do clear balls. They did them in the early 2000s. They're part of their pick and mix series where you could put different shades on different lights, and they had plain clear lights to put them on. I used several sets of the jelly balls, coloured balls, to spruce up a set of either 40 or 50 chaser lights, and it improved them a lot, made them a bit more interesting. And on those lights, they just had a very small aperture in the top. There was no collar, and then you just squeeze the bulb holder in, and the flex of the actual light construction itself held the bulb holder in place, and they don't fall off. And while I was digging in the archive getting the Pifco jelly shade pictures, I found these pictures in there. Seemingly I had these pictures and can't remember where I got them from, but there are 2 sets of the exact same lights. One set is by Treetop, and they are the black hat version, or could possibly be slightly blue, and this set of lights is by Snowtime. Only slight colour variations on the hats, but the construction's the same. There are some slight variations, but they are seemingly made by the same company and just drop shipped to 2 different random companies. But at least we kind of solved the mystery of where they are from. So let's get back to our Snowman jelly heads. So there's your black hat Snowman. We'll put him back on there. Let's have a look at one of the red ones. And there's the red one. He's a little bit more cross-eyed, but a little bit of construction inconsistency makes them a bit more interesting. As for the lights themselves, they're a pretty standard generic set of lights. It's little small stubby bulbs. It's a set of 20, and we've got a non-split foot light. And let's see if there's any particulars, because these came unboxed and there is no label on them. The card has never been taken off the plug. Take this off. It's an SWE plug, 13 amp. Let's have a little look inside. Not sure on the construction of these lights. Probably within the last 15-20 years or so. There we've got a 3 amp fuse. Everything's nice and tight. Cable grip is gripping. I'm going to leave that fuse in place. Not bad, nice little clear run on the plug there. Put this guy back on. Well, let's see if they work, because I literally bought them and you're going to see if they work with me. I don't think I'll run the dimmer plug for these. I don't think there'll be a problem. And they work. And they are a really soft glow. They're not very bright at all. Let's turn the overhead off. Look at that. Really nice soft lights. They'd look good on a garland or on a tree or down a set of stairs. They're quite cheerful. I quite like them. Pretty sure I've got another set of these somewhere, but I'm not sure where. These bulbs are running quite cool. Very cool. The previous set of lights we did, the last of the incandescent cheap sets of lights you could buy, they run very, very hot. These, not so much. These are not even warm to touch. I'm touching this, it's not even hot. So they run really, really low. Oh, hello. What did I do? Did I move something? Oh, wow. One of the terminals has just snapped off. Well, that's unfortunate. Oh, wow. That happened in real time as well. Let's see what we have in the box. I've got these. Let's see if they're 12 volt or not. Potentially. Oh, this might go in. I wonder if this will go in, because it's one of the split foot designs which squeeze inwards. Let's see if this will work. Oh wow, I think the terminal stuck in there. No, I think it's definitely come out. Why is this not lighting up? What's going on here? This is lighting up on this. But not in here. Try a different bulb. There we go. Interesting. Oh, I lost our colour off that one. These are seemingly not the same types of bulbs. This is running a lot cooler. So, I'm wondering whether these are for a different kind of set of lights, because they're running very, very cool. Not sure what they are. So we'll get that off. Put you back on there. Huh. Whoa, okay then. That's some kind of low voltage. This bulb's a little bit fatter, but I'm hoping this will be more appropriate. Seemingly normal 12 volt bulbs burn a bit dimmer with this set. It's not too bad, but the wattages are obviously quite different. I'm wondering whether one of the bulbs from that previous video set would be more appropriate for these. But we got it working. Let's not mess with these anymore. Oh, and that's now stuck in. The collar is now stuck inside the lights. Oh, we're having fun and games here today. I got it out. Don't know how, but I got it out. So I'm going to put collar on first and then do that. So it's on, but barely, so we need to work on them. Let me go and see if I can find the other set of lights. Okay, I found the other set of lights. I've had these for a while, been meaning to do a video on them. These ones are completely different, but also exactly the same. As you can see, the shades have a similar construction. They've got the beads to the eyes, they've got the black hats, but this set is all black hats. There's no red hats, so they're completely different, but they've still got the wire on the nose, so I would say they're made in the same factory. The bulbs, different design again. They've got the collars, but you can see where it's been sprayed black. So this has been, so it's all clear. This has been sprayed black, and this has been sprayed orange by the look of it, or to give her a bit of a blush. Bulbs on these ones are twin prong feet, unlike the other ones. But this set Put you back on there. This set has spare bulbs. It's got a completely different plug. What's this one say? I can't read that. You might be able to read that. Well, this one's got particulars on it. Decorate light, 20 lamps, 12 volt, 6.7 milliamps. 12 volt, 6.7 milliamps. So there's no wattages on there. The whole set is 15 watts. So normally a set like this, a set of 20 would be about 22 watts. So what would these be? 12 volt, 0.8 watt maybe? Anybody knows what the calculations would be? Let's have a quick look in this plug. Decent construction again, everything's nice and tight. Fuse is good, I'm going to leave it all as is. But unlike the other set, this set is a circular set. So although the bulbs and bulb holders seem to be a bit more better made, it's a cheaper set all round. Let's see if these ones work. Yes, and these ones do work. There's some variations in brightness in bulbs though. So this, turn the other head off. So this one is brighter than this one. Has this got a fuse bulb in it? No. They just run differently. Yeah. Very strange indeed. But they have an interesting effect on them. I quite like them. But these ones could potentially be upgraded to use a different set of lights. Get a set of 20 that goes in a straight line and swap them over. At least we know what kind of bulb holders we need, the pronged ones. But there we go. They most definitely come from the same factory. Oh, look at the nose differences. This one's upturned, this one's downturned. Wow. But these are definitely from the same factory, no shadow of a doubt. There's no chance two different companies would make two sets of lights looking identical. Weird. So, there's our Snowman jelly lights. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you all on the next one.